Hello dear friends, in this video you have to guess the names of 10 animals with emojis. Let's start. What is the name of the first animal with an emoji? Dear, the answer is right here. Guess the name of this animal. Bulldog, well done. What is the name of this animal? Hamster, you're done. You must know this animal. What was its name? Badger, yes, it is here. Guess this emoji, can you? Seahorse, you are right. Be quick, guess the name of this animal. Monkey, quickly answer. Guess the name of this animal with an emoji. Anteater, yes, here it is. How do you guess this animal? Earthworm, well done. Guess this emoji, go. Snail was right. What is the name of the last animal? Please comment the correct answer to us. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe us. I will see you in the next video.